In this vlog, we'll be going through the coding challenge between the cloud AI and the local AI. And you might be having a very good questions coming around this particular topic. But yes, I will try to answer all of them in this particular video. So stay tuned till the end. And also, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you're watching this video for the first time. And also, I'll be providing the previous tutorials regarding the AI which we have done in this particular channel in the comment section below. And now let's get started. So the main aim of this particular video is to achieve which one is better, the cloud AI or the local AI. It might be sounding very much easy for you to answer, and you might already got an answer like cloud AI is super powerful and it is a best choice to use for the coding purpose. Yes, I do accept that one, but here are the few flaws which we need to consider before making use of the cloud AI. So let me try to run first round of testing here for ChatGPT and the local Llama here. And before trying to run the test on the local Llama, let me try to download the model here. So I have selected Llama 3 here, and I'll be showing you by downloading this particular model. And here is the official page for this particular, and here is the page where you can find more information regarding this particular Llama 3 model. And I have chosen this model because based on my computer configuration, so this particular model well suited for this particular experiment. So this model is well suited for my experiment purpose, and it will run smoothly and also a lighter weight model. So let me try to download it through the terminal here. And again, I have just shown you the page, right? From there you can find the command to download this. So you might have a question why I am downloading this particular model, because once we download this particular model, this will become our local AI model. So without the use of internet, we can try running this particular model in our local machine itself. So this will be very much useful when you are trying to have your own secure way of running AI in your machine. So I hope you got the very first point why I am running this particular challenge. Having a local AI model is always beneficial. And now come back to the coding challenge, and I'll be giving the same task for both ChatGPT and local AI model here. So let me try to add the same question and let me try to run this. So both the codes are in front of your eyes here. The cloud AI and the local AI done this particular task, and let me know in the comment section below how you felt and how is the code quality and which one is better. And not only code here, it provided us the proper explanation as well. So the next question what I'm going to ask these AI models is a debugging task. Again, I will be giving the same question for both the AI models. So, but one thing you need to notice, the positive thing here on the local AI thing is the same solution it is trying to provide to you in the local way. So let me try to turn off the Wi-Fi here, and let me try to turn off the Wi-Fi and try to ask the time complexity for this particular solution for both the AI models. And this is the next question, and this is the third round what I wanted to test over here. So let me try to ask what is the time complexity for both the AI models. And as we turned off the Wi-Fi, yes, our local AI model provided the complete solution here. I hope this explanation is very much easy for you to understand. This completes our third task as well. So the first one is the coding challenge, the second one is the debugging challenge, and the third one is offline challenge. So in the offline challenge, clearly we can see our local AI model wins. And again, I'm not trying to show that local AI model is a perfect choice for you, but what I want to say here is whenever the security is a concern for you and whenever you want the development to be completely confined within your local machine itself, there will be some projects, and these projects are not quite comfortable in making use of the AI, and there local AI is the best option for you. And again, I completely support both the cloud AI and local AI models. Now after completing these three particular rounds, which AI model will you vote? Just let me know in the comment section below. And also here I have provided how you can train your local AI model, and this will be very much helpful for you to add a wrapper around your local AI model that will be making your day-to-day coding very much easy. Why? Because the AI model will understand your particular coding style and it will try to provide the solutions in your style. So I hope you found this video interesting. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.